think it's absolutely amazing that we have young people that are so inspiring and so dedicated to doing things to help other people.
Tonight just demonstrated how inspiring young people can be genuinely.
I've been truly inspired by the young people tonight. It's just blown me away. I think the fantastic thing about the Active Young People's programme is that it really is for everybody, and it's great to see so many different needs being recognised here tonight.
Really important that we celebrate success and that we recognise all the fantastic work that's going on and our young leaders. So brilliant night, absolutely brilliant.
It's so important to support programmes like this because it enables our young people to realise their full potential. And have we seen their full potential tonight?
It's so important to give our young people the opportunity to fulfil their potential.
I think supporting young people in the future is all about giving them those opportunities. As you've seen tonight, they're able to do whatever we ask them to do, whatever they put their mind to doing. What they need now is the opportunity from businesses like Sony UK Tech, from big names that can provide those opportunities.
Our support of their journey through employment, through advice to giving them new skills and new opportunities is massive.
Thousands of young people have now benefited, and my commitment is we'll continue that into the future.
I think it's so important we support these programmes because we're seeing the results, we're seeing the outcomes, we're seeing the fantastic young people that are coming through in Bridgend, and we're seeing that they're moving into jobs and inspiring others.
Events like this evening give me the confidence that we, Sport Wales, and our partners like Bridgend County Borough Council are doing the right things for the future of our nation. Mae'n hanfodol bod ni'n cario ymlaen da'r gwaith hyn. Mae partneriaeth a cyngor bwrdreisef Pen-y-bont yn bwysig iawn I ni, a o'n i'n falch I cael yn gwahodd a dwi'n falch des I.
I'm super proud to live in Bridgend with young people like this.
It's fair to say our future's safe in their hands.